Hey there, future virtual all-stars. Welcome back to the Aspiring VA series, where I'm your virtual hype person on this journey to virtual stardom. I'm Cranberry, and today, we're diving into something hotter than the trendiest meme, and it's crafting an attention-grabbing VA profile. If your online presence could use a little razzle-dazzle and you're ready to stand out like a unicorn in a herd of horses, you're in the right place. Get your creative hats on. It's profile revamp time. Alright, let's talk profiles. Your VA profile isn't just a digital business card, it's your virtual first impression. Think of it as the front porch of your online home. It should be inviting, memorable, and make visitors want to knock on your digital door. Now, let's talk headlines. No, not the tabloid kind. Your headline is your elevator pitch, your one-liner that sums up your VA prowess. Don't be the generic virtual assistant for hire. Instead, be the problem-solving whiz who turns chaos into bliss. I've even seen people use stuff like the virtual assistant who gets shit done. So put some spice into your headline, okay, guys? And the bio. The bio is the virtual version of the tell me about yourself. This is your chance to shine, my friends. Inject your personality, sprinkle some magic keywords, and show them why you're the VA they've been waiting for. And hey, feel free to add a dash of humor. After all, we're human, not robots, right? Now, onto the pièce de résistance. Your portfolio. This is where your work comes alive, where potential clients can see your superpowers in action. Choose your best work and also show versatility. Whether you're a graphic guru, a social media sorcerer, or a content conjurer, let your work be the star of the show. Okay, guys. Profile overhaul. It's action time, my future virtual assistants. Number 1, spice up your headline, make it sizzle. Number 2, write a bio that's you with a side of wow. Show off your top-notch work in your portfolio and add a sprinkle of humor if it fits your style. After all, who doesn't love a good laugh? Ready to jazz up your virtual curb appeal? And hey, if you're looking to take your VA journey to the next level, I've got a secret weapon for you. It's time to check out the Virtual Assistant 101 course by Cranberry Consulting. This course is the roadmap to becoming a VA superstar with insider tips, tricks, and strategies to excel in this dynamic world. There's a workbook to help you on your journey and also a free ebook on getting started. So don't miss out. Sign up today by logging into www.savvyberryconsulting.com and unleash your VA potential. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Aspiring VA series. Your profile is your red carpet moment, and I'm here to guide you to virtual stardom. That's a wrap on crafting an attention-grabbing VA profile, my future virtual assistants. Remember, your profile isn't just about what you do, it's about how you shine. Join me next time for episode 4, where we'll unveil the treasure trove of essential tools for virtual assistants. Until then, revamp, rock on, and let your profile pop. Bye, guys.